Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal here and thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. When you pick up this product from the second link in the description, you're going to get my 4 bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new email subscribers every single Friday. This is not a method, it's not a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up. You get them guaranteed, and then you mail them with your self-hosted autoresponder that I also show you how to set up. The self-hosted autoresponder costs between $3 and $12 per month, so it's very, very cheap, even when you have 5 million email subscribers. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you the 2023 free traffic method that I am using right now to get tons of traffic to my websites, offers and blogs. This will be delivered to you as well automatically as a free bonus when you pick up this product. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first on YouTube so that you can get massive rankings and massive traffic from your YouTube videos to any offer that you want. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you your own offer to promote. My Empire course is one of my best-selling courses ever. I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so that you can promote it as your own course. So with that said, let's check out what this product is all about. And remember, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. If you would like to pick up the product that I'm reviewing right now, check out the second link in the description. Cheers guys, let's check out what this product is all about.
Dear marketer, what if I handed you a premium, ready-made product in one of the internet's hottest niches, and all you had to do was put your name on it and start selling? Sound too good to be true? Well, it's not. I'm talking about WordPress, yes, the powerhouse platform that runs over 43% of the internet. That's millions of users who need training, support, and guidance. Bloggers, business owners, and freelancers all need training to make the most of this platform, and guess what? That demand isn't going away anytime soon. Let me introduce you to the WordPress Master Kit with unrestricted PLR, your shortcut to launching a profitable product without the stress, cost, or effort of creating one from scratch. But the thing is, let's be honest, launching a new product isn't easy. Creating a product takes time, effort, and let's face it, money. You need to research the market, write content, record videos, edit them, make them professional, and then find the time to market it. It's exhausting, that's the reality for most entrepreneurs, coaches, and course creators, but what if all this is DIY? That's exactly what the WordPress Master Kit is, a plug-and-play business opportunity. Introducing brand new WordPress Master Kit with unrestricted PLR. High-quality WordPress online course that you can rebrand, resell, and profit from. You get 4 power-packed courses with 19 expertly crafted video lessons that your audience will love. Here's what you're getting. Course 1, Introduction to WordPress, 4 videos. Course 2, Getting Started with WordPress, 4 videos. Course 3, Setting Up WordPress, 6 videos. Course 4, WordPress Basics, 5 videos. Unrestricted PLR, the real moneymaker. It's a high-quality and engaging comprehensive training program and a product that sells fast. No content creation, no hiring designers or video editors, no endless hours of research, just download, rebrand, and start selling. With unrestricted PLR package, you're buying a license to print money in a niche that's always in demand. You get complete ownership of these video lessons, just put your name on them, brand them as your own, and sell them for as much as you want. Turn it into a PLR product, an ebook, a membership course, or even a coaching program and cash in big. The possibilities are endless. This deal is perfect for PLR marketers. If you are looking for a profitable product you can resell, this is it. Easily bank 4-figure commissions. Online course creators, sell it under your name on Udemy, Coursera, Teachable, anywhere else. Technical coaches and trainers, add a professional WordPress training program to your portfolio. Educational websites, sell this as a premium course under your brand and grow your business. Any other business of helping people learn and grow their skills, this is a must-have. Now is the perfect time to enter. But here's the catch, this offer won't last forever, it's only for a limited time. This deal offers insane value for the price your audience will thank you for pointing them in the right direction, plus, you'll be racking up commissions faster than a WordPress plugin update. Take action today. Opportunities like this don't come around often. Go ahead, click that button, and make this your most profitable investment.